Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on artificial intelligence and look at the very human intelligence that actually makes it all work. All right, let's kick things off with a little test. Take a good look at these two pictures. Can you say for sure, 100% sure, which one is ginger and which one is turmeric? It's tougher than you'd think, right? This happens all the time in the kitchen. It's just a perfect little reminder of how tricky it can be to tell two really similar things apart, even for us. Okay, but here's the twist. What if I told you that you're not alone in this? That this isn't just a human problem, and that some of the smartest tech on the entire planet gets tripped up by this exact same question? Yeah, let's really get into this. It turns out even super powerful AI systems can totally get stuck trying to tell the difference between these two. It seems so simple to us, but for a machine, it's actually a massive challenge.
And I'm not just making this up. This really happened. On a real-world AI project, the whole system just ground to a halt. Seriously, progress completely stopped, all because it could not figure out how to tell pictures of ginger from pictures of turmeric.
So think about that. If a multi-million-dollar AI just can't get it, what do you do? How do you even begin to teach a machine something so basic that, let's be honest, we sometimes get wrong ourselves? Well, the answer is surprisingly simple, and it's completely human. We do it. We teach the machine. Humans literally have to step in and become the teachers to get the AI unstuck. And this whole process has a name. It's called data labeling. All it is someone taking raw data, like 1,000 pictures of mystery roots, and adding a little tag, a label. This is ginger. Nope, this one is turmeric. That's it. It's giving the machine the context it so desperately needs to learn. This all leads to a really cool way of thinking about this. The best way to picture an AI is to just think of it like a child. It's got this incredible, brilliant potential, right? But it starts out knowing almost nothing about the world. And just like you would with a kid, we have to patiently teach it. You show them an apple, and you say apple. You show them a banana, and you say banana. Again and again and again. It's the exact same idea here. So what does this first class for an AI actually look like? How does this teaching process work in the real world? It's really just a simple 3-step loop. Step 1, a person looks at a picture. Step 2, they slap the correct label on it, ginger. Step 3, the AI studies that labeled picture. Now, imagine doing that not once, but thousands or even millions of times. That's how the AI finally starts to see the patterns for itself. And here's the key takeaway. Behind the scenes of all this slick, futuristic AI, there is a massive human effort. The job could basically be called correct label selector, because that's what these people are doing day in and day out. They're literally building the AI's brain. So why should you care about any of this? Because this process, this labeling, it isn't just for telling spices apart. It's the exact same method that teaches a self-driving car the difference between a stop sign and a tree. It's how an AI learns to help a doctor spot a tumor on a medical scan. This hidden human work is the absolute foundation for some of the most amazing technology changing our world right now. So I'll just leave you with this one final thought. The next time your phone's AI does something incredible, or you hear about some new breakthrough, just take a second. Remember that there's this huge invisible army of human teachers who, one simple label at a time, taught that machine how to see.